going to show you how to make mung bean pancake balls. To make this recipe, you need moong bean flour or moong dal flour, and this flour is easily available in Indian grocery store. The next ingredient you need is whole milk plain Greek yogurt or even regular yogurt. Either yogurt will be just fine. And in spices, we need roasted cumin, we need roasted coriander, and we need some baking soda and some ghee and black pepper. And in the fresh ingredients, we need a couple carrots grated, a cup of onions, finely diced onions, and some cilantro. The first step of this recipe is to take some Moong Dal and some yogurt and some water in this pancake bottle and give it a good shake to adjust the consistency. For this recipe, I have taken 2 cups of Moong Dal, 1 cup of yogurt and some water in the bottle, and after giving it a good shake, I have left it on the counter for 5 hours. And now after 5 hours, what I'm going to do is going to add some spices in this batter. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and salt is according to taste, but I'm going to add here half teaspoon of salt. I have sea salt here, maybe a little more than half teaspoon of salt. You can always add the salt on the top, but it's just the taste what you like. And I'm going to add around half a teaspoon of black pepper. You can use red pepper also, it's just your personal choice, and not a heap full of pepper, but just this much. And then I'm going to add some baking soda. So once I finish shaking the spices, I'm going to put this upside down and open the bottle from the back end, and I'm going to add some onions, some cilantro. I'm just going to use my hand because it's just too small of a hole to put it, but it's very convenient. This bottle, I love this bottle. I'm going to add some carrots in here because the bottle is almost full, and some of the carrots I'm going to add on the top when I'm preparing the food. So I want to cover this and give it a good shake again. I have a heated pan to make the pancake balls, and you can see this is the pancake pan. It's available on Amazon and maybe some other sites which I don't know of. And I'm going to oil this pan to make the balls. My pan is all heated up, and I am going to pour my batter in this pan. Cover and cook for a few minutes. It's been a couple minutes now. We are going to turn over these pancake balls. like this. Turning over, I'm going to cover and cook for another few minutes. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.